Guys, and James here back with another video. And today I just want to talk to you a little bit about building your online affiliate marketing business and how not to take shortcuts. Guys, you've got to really see this as a long-term approach. And when I say long-term, it'd be 5 to 10 years, but you can see results well within inside your first 6 months or a year, or really good results for that saying. But I just want to go through this and just show you and talk through this document that I've got here right now that I just wanted to go through and highlight some of the key points that have helped me. Just before we get into it, I'll just show you a little bit about some of my results. I'll refresh the page here so you don't think I'm continue, refresh, and that's refresh now. So you can see some of the results that I've been able to get through. This is one of the other affiliate accounts I've got. $1,400 and nearly $1,500 there, and that's just for last month. And if I go over to another account here, I've just earned $1,000 in the last month as well. So there you can see that there's the 1,000, 2.5 grand in the last month. Okay, so just so you know that a lot of people come on here spouting about what they have and haven't done, but just so you know, I've earned some money online and continue to do so. So if you're going to build a business, then don't take shortcuts, okay? People message me all the time asking me if I saw the brand new program, Easy Way to Make Money, shortcut system is worth trying. Okay, I get this all the time. If you want to be successful, then you need to put the work in and build a long-term asset and be consistent. Every time you start over or head down a new path, you lose all the momentum you build up. Someone who is successful already can walk into anything new and make it work, but someone who is still trying to gain traction is going to have a hard time doing the same. So what do you focus on? Okay, this is so true. Once you start focusing on something else, a shiny new object online, then that's when you start losing focus on what you were doing, and you start losing that momentum. Okay, because you'd be just close by getting a breakthrough by giving up a particular traffic source that you were testing and working on, or perfecting a funnel or an affiliate offer. So first of all, you need to actually really just stay true to the course of what you've started on. So start focusing on mastering a traffic source. You may not know it, but you're in the lead generation business. So if you're in affiliate marketing online, you need to generate leads, and you need to funnel those leads into your autoresponder, which is an email autoresponder that goes out and starts generating emails where you can start a relationship with your list. Okay. A year ago, I started SEO. Some years ago, I started SEO and Google AdWords, and I got into Facebook marketing, then YouTube, and now I'm mastering only the one traffic source that's working for me. So it's really important, guys, that you go ahead and pick a really good traffic source, okay? And the traffic source, you want to stick at it until you start seeing those results. Just because you don't see results in the first few weeks or the first 30 days, don't give up. It just means retweaking, because others are on there, on the traffic source, having success. So you've got to work out what works. Maybe it's the funnel, maybe it's the page, it's your ad. Just pick one platform and go in, or mastering the platform inside and out. Once you know how to get qualified leads, you can make any business successful. The next step is building relationships. Once you generate leads, focus on strengthening those relationships as they know, like, and relate and trust you. When people are on your list, follow you on social media, and they decide to make a decision by purchasing something from you, it's usually because they like and trust you. Okay, so this goes right across the board. And so spend more time building relationships, helping solve the problems. Focus more on them and less on yourself, and you'll see the results. This is why I spent most of my time because 95% of the people do not buy right away. It's a known fact. Okay, people buy from you down the track for over a period of time. So with knowing that, you shouldn't treat people as a number. Figure out what people need help with and do everything you can to do it with them. I just started asking the people who followed me what they struggled with, and then I would spend my time on learning how to do it so I could help them. guide them to the solution to help them. This required a lot of extra work on my part, but people bought products from my affiliate link because I made the effort to educate and help them. So this is why you need to build value in with your list, okay, when you start modeling. Just don't humble them with affiliate offers all the time without any value. Step 3, stop looking for the next easy way to make money and start focusing on one business model. I talk to people every single day in this business, and 99% of the time, people who haven't got results never stuck with anything even for 90 days. If they tell me they had dug a little deeper and then later they would admit that they would have got sidetracked somewhere else. Consistency is the secret to reaching your goals. Flip-flopping is not. Okay? It's my personal belief that all businesses work, people don't. You have to remain consistent long enough and work through the challenges to get results. This is why so many people never make it online. Once you draw your line in the sand and go all in on what you're doing, and then things start to happen for you real fast, with just 6 to 12 months worth of work, you can build a high 6-figure a year business. Doctors go to school for 8 years and don't make that out of college, and they're required an insane amount of debt once they get started. So guys, it is really achievable. You just need to follow, number 1, a proven system, and number 2, apply that consistency. Draw a line in the sand and don't give up, and keep applying the strategies that's been proven for others. Number 4, self-belief system is number 1. You don't believe you can do this, do yourself a favor and stop that right now. If you don't believe you can do this, if you don't believe you can build a $10,000 a month income online, then you need to stop right now. What I would suggest, and I'm going to put it in the link below. It's a program that I got into quite some time ago, and it helps build up your mindset. So here I've got to spend the next 30 days, build your mind up and developing that muscle. I defeated myself for 2 years straight because I didn't think I would never be successful. So many of us people out there, and I know you guys are listening now, you love the idea of making money online. You love the idea of being successful online, but your mind and your subconscious mind won't allow you because you've been brought up hearing you'll never make it, you can't do it, you're not good enough. So what I'm going to do, guys, below in the link, it's a really good little program. It won't cost you much at all. And what you can do is put on these subliminal messages that you can listen to every day. And I just urge you to get on there 15 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day, have your headphones on and listen to these subliminal messages. What it'll do is it'll retrain your subconscious to actually be open to success, to actually be very, very have a positive, really outcome and outlook on success. Now, I did this for 2 or 3 years, and today I still have little bursts here and there where I need to remind myself. And all they are is affirmations that build up the subliminal subconscious, because that's where all our beliefs and that come from, our behavior come from. And look, you'll do yourself a massive favor just doing that every day while you're working online. Just have that going on your headphones, and you'll be amazed at the difference it'll make in your personal outcome. The people who come into the industry and think it's possible for them to get success much faster. So if you're self-defeating yourself like this, you have to put a stop to it ASAP. So again, I can't recommend the program I've got in the link highly enough. In fact, the one I've got in the link right now, you can just sign up and get the free gift. And that gives you a little taste test of what it is. So you can listen to that. And if you want to go the way and purchase the whole program, which I suggest that you do, because you'll get a whole lot of other great affirmations that'll really help correct this, guys. It's such a common thread through all the successful people out there. You've got to first believe that you can do it, and you're able to, and you deserve it before you can actually get there. When you find yourself saying, I can't, I hope, I'll try, I'm going to try that, then stop yourself right there and correct what you say. You may not think this matters, but you're really self-defeating yourself. You know, I spend more time training my coaching and encouraging students on their belief systems, the way they think, about anything else. I work with a mentor right now, a 7-figure mentor who's way down the track for me right now, and I follow them really closely. And they're the same. They coach and train me, and every time I get the advice or some support off them, or some other video they put out, it's spent on the way we think and the belief that challenges my belief systems. of having success as much as they've had as well. So it is so important to align yourself with successful people, have successful people around you or in your circle, block off the negative naysayers saying you can't do it, and then retrain your subconscious mind. Once you believe in yourself, then no obstacle, no person, or any setback can stop you. If you don't get your mind wired right, none of these tactics will be any use to you. Also, I find once your self-belief system is in place, you won't be jumping around. You won't have a problem being consistent. You won't be looking for the next opportunity to help you get rich quick with no effort. Rich is a mindset. Once you believe it, then you can do it. So that's all for today, guys. And I really want to challenge you to actually think outside the box, um, and to actually get your mindset in check. Have a listen to the way you're talking, having to listen to the way you're acting online. You're buying this product, trying that, trying this, you're thinking this will be the magic bullet. And when was the last time, ask yourself this, that you committed to something for 90 days, at least 3 months to 6 months, but you gave up because you never quite got the results? So I want to challenge you with that, with these steps today. I hope it's been helpful. Please comment below and give me some feedback of what maybe is the number one challenge for you. Is it sticking at things? Is it your mindset? Is it not surrounding yourself with positive people, successful people? Is it that you lack a mentor right now? Is it that you lack a proven system? And guys, look, in my link below as well, I've got some free training that you can go through along myself and my seven-figure mentor myself we put up three-day mini course, so you can go through and get some training and help with some of the mindset and some of the systems you can see inside there that's proven to be successful, not only for my mentor, but it's proving to be successful for me online. So I highly recommend it. You can sign up for that. That's for free, no strings attached. But I highly recommend, if you're troubling, if you're really having trouble in that self-belief, you need to get the free gift below as well in the link. And that will really help you guys. And even in the next 30 days, as you start to just have that on every day, start to recorrect some of that wrong thinking that's self-sabotaging yourself online when you go to do something or late. You go, oh, that won't work for me, and you're refunding this product, jumping to the next one, thinking that'll be the be-all and end-all. So I really encourage you to do that. If you like what you've heard today, guys, and it's helped you in some way and motivated you, please comment below, subscribe to my channel, and like the video. So hopefully I'll see you again on the next video real soon. All the best out there, and we'll see you on the other side.